You wake up early, you work hard, you get paid, and somehow you're still stuck. Your salary goes up, but your expenses go up faster. You feel secure, but never free. This is called the salary trap. And if you don't understand it, you'll spend your entire life inside it. Let me be clear. There is nothing wrong with having a job, but there is something dangerous about depending on only one source of income. Today, I'll show you why salaries feel safe but keep you limited, how the system trains you to stay comfortable, and how to escape without quitting your job tomorrow. Section 1. A salary gives predictability. Predictability feels like safety, but safety can become a cage. When you rely on a fixed monthly income, you stop thinking like an owner. You trade time for money. You wait for permission to earn more. Your income is capped by your boss, your company, the economy. You don't control your financial ceiling, and that's the first trap. Section 2. Here's what usually happens. You get a raise. You upgrade your lifestyle. Better phone, better car, better apartment. Now your new expenses require your new salary. You are not richer. You are more dependent. This cycle keeps you working not for freedom, but for maintenance. Section 3. There are only 24 hours in a day. If your income depends on hours worked, your income is automatically limited. That's why wealthy people focus on assets, ownership systems, investments. They move from earning income to building income. A salary pays you once. Assets pay you repeatedly. Section 4. The real trap isn't money, it's comfort. A steady paycheck makes you tolerate toxic environments, delay dreams, accept average. You say, I'll start next year. I'll invest later. I'll build something when I'm ready. Years pass, nothing changes, because comfort kills urgency. Section 5. Escaping doesn't mean quitting your job tomorrow. It means shifting your mindset today. Step 1. Lower dependency, live below your means. Create margin. Step 2. Build a second income stream. Freelancing, digital products, content creation, small business investing. Step 3. Buy assets, not liabilities. Assets generate income. Liabilities generate bills. Step 4. Upgrade your skills. High-income skills increase leverage. Step 5. Think ownership. Ask yourself daily, how can I earn without trading time? That's the shift. Your job is not the enemy. Dependence is. A salary should fund your freedom, not finance your cage. If you don't build something of your own, you will always build someone else's dream. The question is simple. Are you earning to survive or building to escape? If this changed your perspective, subscribe. Because we're not here to stay comfortable, we're here to ascend.